Good day
Welcome
everyone,
to
and welcome
Global
to
Depth.
TV. Actually, I want to show you on how this TikToker NG, how it works and how everything it works. Okay, the new Naira and USDT platform. Okay, it pays you in Naira and USDT. You are not in Nigeria. Okay, it actually is very easy to register. It's very easy. You can make money for yourself in this platform. Okay. Okay, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like and drop a nice comment in this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this on how to make money for yourself. Okay, let's get started, guys. This platform is called tiktoker.ng. okay, it's not only Nigeria platform. Okay, if you are other country apart from Nigeria, you can also join this platform using your USDT to deposit and withdraw to your account as easy and this is very simple. Okay, concerning this platform, it has high profit. Okay, it has high profit which can generate you sustainable income for yourself. Okay, let's go and read about how the company works and see. Okay, come here now, come here to the front page. Here you see profile, company profile. Okay, let's see how the company work. Okay, see the TikToker advertise. Okay, it's an affiliating program. It's not owned by TikTok. Okay, not owned by TikTok. All of us know TikTok is a social media where everybody watch videos and entertaining stuff like that. Okay, but this one is different. It's not owned by TikTok. It is a means of earning money online, just simple as that. Okay, you can just go on and read about the company so that you can know where you want to put your money into. As simple as that, guys. Okay, the advantages are okay, on how TikTok works. Okay, they have many advantages, but you can go there and read. Okay, just go on and read on how the platform works. Okay, after reading about this platform, okay, and how to recharge and how to deposit and how to withdraw from this platform, I'm going to show you in this video. Make sure you watch this video to the end, guys. If you watch the video to the end. Okay, there are many packages from this platform. There are many packages. Okay, the first packages which are going to give you 30 naira, totally free there. That one automatically, and which you cannot earn anything. Okay, but you have to deposit the minimum of 5,000 naira. You have to deposit. Okay, that is around 8 USDT or something like that. We're not Nigeria. Okay, you have to deposit 8 USDT. I'm going to show you how to do everything. Simple as that. Okay, the first thing that are going to, after checking the packages you want to go for. Okay, but my advice for you is that if you want to go for any package, just go for the one of 5,000 naira and one of 15,000 naira package. As simple as that, because going to their rules, there are many rules. Make sure you read every rule before you enter any one of them. Okay, please make sure you read any rules. Okay, they have many rules. Okay, the agreement from this company for this, if you go for the one of, okay, these agree. Okay, if you go for the one of 30,000 naira, if you take at least 1 month before you get your money back. That's why I say that you must go for the one of 5,000 naira or the one of 15,000 naira. Okay, to avoid stress from the company. Simple as that. Okay, this company can make profit from this company. Just join this company early. Okay, how to deposit? Just have to come in where you see my wallet. Okay, where you see my wallet, just have to click on it. Okay,
how to recharge your account?
You see recharge, you click on this recharge. Okay, if you want to recharge through Naira, is there, through USDT is there. Okay, let's say you want to deposit through USDT, you have to copy the USDT here. Okay, and you have to upload your screenshot proof. You see it, everything is there. Make sure you read through. Okay, you have to upload your screenshot proof if you are depositing through your USDT. Okay, and put the amount. Okay, and you want to top up is 12 USDT. It has been shown in this platform. Make sure you do not go against any rules. Okay, the minimum deposit for USDT is 12 USDT, but you are going to deposit through Naira. That is, the minimum is 5,000 naira. You have to put your minimum here. Okay, the amount you want to deposit, put it there, and you click on charge now. Simple as that. And you go to your NFL. Okay, you see confirm. You have to go there and deposit. It's very simple and very easy. Okay, you have to pay to the account and put your name. You send it from the bank, your bank name. Okay, what I mean is that your name, let's say your name is Zuluba something, you have to put your name there. Okay, simple as that. After that, you click on submit. Automatically showing your dashboard, but if you're not showing your dashboard, you can also join their Telegram group.
How to
in the
withdraw.
dashboard. Okay, join the Telegram group. Okay, but to withdraw is very simple. The minimum withdraw is 3,000 naira for Nigeria. Okay, but for USDT, the minimum to withdraw it is 8 USDT or 12 USDT thereabout, and you have to fill your withdrawal account. Simple as that. You can also read about the withdrawal terms and conditions from the platform. Okay, before you go to this platform, make sure you read everything carefully. Please read everything carefully, guys. Okay, you can also invite your friends to join and be getting 20% from your downlines. You just have to copy your referral link and start sharing to your friends. Okay, and you can also build your team from this platform. You can start sharing to your friends on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on any social media you are. You can start sharing to your friends and your loved ones so that you can also make money for yourself. Okay, after you have deposited and I've already showed on your dashboard, the next thing is that you have to come here. You see subscribe. Okay, you choose, let's say you deposited the one of 5,000 naira. You see, come here and you subscribe now. Okay, because I already subscribed to the one of 5,000 naira, I cannot subscribe again to the one of 5,000 naira. I have to go for the one of the next packages. Okay, insufficient. Okay, but if you have money there, it's going to do okay. After that, you have to come here. You see TikTok here, guys. Okay, you have to click here where you see TikTok. Okay, you have to click here where you see TikTok here and the middle button. Okay, and you have to click on these ads. There are no more videos for you to do. Okay, that means I've already watched all those videos. The videos takes at least 20 seconds and it's already each video takes 20 seconds, but let's say in the range time of
How to perform tasks.
4 minutes, we are already done with the videos. Okay, we're done with the videos, because any packages you go for, let's say you go for the one of 15,000 naira, be getting 33,000 naira, 30,000, you'll be getting 33 naira, 33 naira, 33 naira. Okay, you'll be getting it per each videos. That means 330 naira times 5. Just calculate it. Okay, to know how much you are making money, you can be making from this platform. Simple as that, guys. And if you need any support, just have to come here, contact any of their customer service. Okay, simple as that. You have to contact any of their customer service, which is Telegram or WhatsApp. You just have to contact them for more details. And once you're more enlightened about this video, drop the comment in the description below so I can know what to say about this video. Okay, if you're already making money from this platform, make sure you drop your review this platform. Okay, and make sure you don't go beyond the 15,000 naira and the 5,000 naira so that you can earn daily. But if you only want to earn daily, but maybe you want to earn like monthly, you can go for the one of 30,000 naira and other packages. Okay, simple as that. Make sure you make money from this platform and take advantage of this platform. Okay, thanks for watching this video, guys, and make sure you turn the bell notification button. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching, guys.
Watching.